Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
It's here for a day and a Ghana. Like, I said, many Darby, Mentiasie. Like, what's going on? Mr. Odie, Debbie, I am a cassa about entirely checkable screeners and bend them, Mr. Mo. Just as we are very serious, Sama. Some cassa about Tatarina, Modiamo Fancheme. But I don't know what's going on in this country. 2 days ago, Alaba market, and I call Robbie Omo. Now, my mamuti say, Obia will walk on Sibian says, Alaba market no, in Crofunia den woho. Now, a month or no, or moon put you to me a Robbie Omo. Then imagine Kumasi Central Market and this arcade and then Semno. What will happen? And man, I say, for reports from a year. Angelonline.com.gh which are Pure FM also a report NSA another robbery akoso ewo Kumasi Central Market atrese ejwedifo a ewo ho Kumasi Central Market Dr. Mensa and KJTia and Ashtown ya robbery omude is it a joke and it's a movie. Masa, Alaba market there and can you? At Romfo Sansa Kumasi Central Market, Dr. Mensa, KJTia, Ashtown, broad daylight. Ya Robbie Omo. Hey, no. I same way there. Just a day after Alaba there no. Oh, Dabi. Wait there, just a day after Alaba market, Akronfo Sanso Ako Kumasi say, hey, Dabi. I say wait there. Meti asem me say no, I have to verify. Because verify you know, the Pure FM for a report story no. Now, in fact, Jadifo ni bi kra any Pure FM for one of our journalists a friend Osei Kojo. Edi nkomo emadwadefo a wo mo eye KJTia ne Kumasi Central Market kra kasa na de omo kakra ne se papa bi a wo ye businessman se wo kojiska wo bank se bank bi wo market ho wo kojiska wo bank dan robbers yi hu no na afi etio omu tututuo ahase de ne de wo yanti se wo mo aba obi tue ku no. Just warning shot a woman mind na womoje a year businessman in Sika. Hey, Nana. Edieni. Iti jedifo na womu ewo shop ewo Kumasi Central Market and KJTia no. Womu a womu wo stores ewo ho no ye jiji wo bia Sika. Akwa say Alaba market there no pepepe. Just that this is happening at the same Kumasi. Hey, that be anyway there. Hey, I'm Robertson na shed that. I'm Robertson na shed that. Omu yekuo baako. Anase baako ehu say ekuo we akwa robe Alaba. Iti yanso yanko ha. Hey, we need to be very careful. We need to be very, very, very careful. I'm telling you this. We need to be very careful. The market, Sisiano, we share the air costs at the marketplaces. We need to be very careful. In China, the traders, more Alaba, ebe can say, it was a positive for eba marketplaces, no, ebe bo mo buy no. You see, just a day after Alaba robbery. Kumasi Central Market and KJTia, Dr. Mensa, a Honso Arm Robbers, daytime, Sa Pepe, a year 12:30. Hey. Traders and so will move journey for their lives. Now, Gedinino, when Pure FM, a year or so, could you, a Kasana, some of can will see. They fired gunshots when they saw one businessman coming out from the bank with money. They took away the money and fired gunshots which forced us to run for our lives. Assemwa arm robber sorry eyewitness no air canon no. Hey, no. I think Ashanti region, the state of security in Ashanti region, no, we need to take it serious. No, what is happening in Ashanti region, not there. No. Ah, but why? Me there, once a story never told me no. Let me tell you the truth. Story never told me nim say Bibia sanso si ewo Kumasi na me say Dabi we die bia na Alaba de no. So I saw the story, I was like, oh, we die ewia no. Oh, we die Alaba. Ansa na me hu story na me say me ko hu ya Kumasi Central, me so minim Kumasi Central, minim say enye Alaba, Dr. Mensah so enye and the date the robbery went on no. We share Alaba de na. I think the robbery happened. The Osha day robbery ni AC ya is just say a day after. Hey, Dabi. Masa. And no Tigana for Bibrina kasa. Ewa assemwe hu. Ghana for Obi say Ghanaians are being complacent with the security threats they face. It will be too late by the time they realize if they don't seriously act now. I am telling you, media, the state of security right now there, we need to act. We need to do something. Mr. Apostle, we need to do something. We need to do something. And that guy need be sending audio now was sending no. What can send be woman me there? Even though he blamed, once say no okay was sending audio no. What can say no MPP ni. Now as far as what's the audio from Ofoso Ampofo? Ofoso Ampofo I can say yebema robberies ni we no the other better Ofoso Ampofo so. But obe blame on one kasanso ne MPP government because woman no more aban mu. Omo na 2 million national monsa. Na say what's na ho Emma robbery koso a eni kwan say wo de ko share opposition. I've told you eni kwan say ye de crime politics. But why you say what the crime politics bia no, you expose yourself. You expose yourself. The state of security in Ashanti and that is why I'm saying that me whole article be na say Ashanti Regional Police Commander Ashanti, the whole Ashanti region no can say Ashanti region is not under a state of insecurity. I'm saying Nkrofo say the AC Ashanti region is under a state of insecurity, and I know say that the Ashanti region is not under the state of insecurity. But clearly, it shows. Clearly, answer na robbery cases here because of market here 2 days see 2 different marketplaces. Ashanti big market Ashanti robbery omono. Answer na because no. It's here for we were always reporting on robbery cases in Ashanti regional. Especially banks. But my mama tell say make am ti hey. Ama me stro this whole year me call bank here. Yes, this whole year I've not gone to the bank because me stro Charlie. Asemu it's here for. Intino minim say is it because people are saying Alaba is different from KJT. People are saying say yes, daylight robbery went on. But Washa, Alaba Diana is see, it happened on 30th. You see, I don't want to believe say the same. Hey, sorry, I don't want to believe say different. As in, I don't want to believe say two different way because it is too scary. But what we are hearing, and they say, Ebiana Kumasi Central Market, no, Ebia Alaba wo but what we are hearing is say Dr. Mensah and KJT and also daylight robbery akoso. And from the reports from angelonline.com, one more reporter one more say the robbery occurred on October 31st, which was yesterday. Alaba Diana so no, the reports that came no, the robbery occurred on 30th October, which was Enrechi. So me, I'm confused. And I know KJT is not Alaba. I know Central Markets, Dr. Mensah is not Alaba. Maybe I'm not saying, but I know Dr. Mensah is not Alaba. are we safe? Won't you imagine?